Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how Google Authentication was integrated into the Loubby AI platform. Remember, Loubby AI is an AI-powered recruiter, ATS, and HRIS system for employers, employees, and freelancers. Let's get into it. So on the login page of the Loubby AI platform, normally you would use your email address and your password to log in. But this time around, in order to demonstrate how Google Authentication is integrated into the platform, I'll use Login with Google. When you click on this button, it's going to ask you which of the email addresses you have on Google that you want to use to proceed with the Loubby AI application. I'll select the first one I have here, which is the only one I have. And right now, Google is going to tell you, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture with Loubby application. Please take note that you can also see the privacy policy of Loubby AI and the terms of service. I'm going to click on continue. And of course, at this point, it's sharing the information with Loubby AI. And Loubby AI is using the information that has been shared from Google to log you into the Loubby AI platform. All right, that should take a minute and it's in. Right now, this is an existing user, so I'm just going to select one of my workspaces to log me into. All right, while we're waiting for that, that was fast. All right, so the next thing I want to demonstrate is how you can save an event created in Loubby AI straight into your Google Calendar. All right, so I'm going to go into schedule, and from schedule, I'm going to create a scheduling link where people can actually book events. All right, so let's get to it. So I'm going to come to create event. I'll click on, uh, anyways, let me just go to scheduling links because I've created a couple. All right, so I'll just edit one of this. For transparency, let me create a new one. So I'll create an event, create scheduling link. Let me create this and call this Google Authentication event. And I'll say this, it's not an actual event. And I want this to occur on a duration of 30 minutes. Today is 6th. I want it to end on 10th. Now let the start time be 9 a.m. and I want Sundays included because I want to choose today. I want Sundays included into the days people can book. And I'll click on create schedule. What's meant to happen now is that we now have our Google Authentication event here. I'll copy this link. This is the link you actually share to users to book events on Loubby AI. So assuming I'm a user and I visit that link, I should see a screen that allows me to select a time, a date, a slot, the reason for booking, and all of that. All right, so that screen should be up anytime now. Let's just give it some time. All right, now I'm going to pick a time. today. I want it to be today. I want to pick 11:30 a.m. and I'll click on book.
I've set your alarm for 11:30.
I'll click on book, and the reason for booking is this is a test, and I'll click on confirm. All right, and it says the event scheduled successfully. Your meeting is scheduled. Now, the next thing I want to do is to add this to, my Google Calendar. So I'll click on this, add to calendar, click on add to Google. And the first thing I want to do is click on add to Google. It takes me to this page with the details asking me which account I want to integrate for this. And I'll click on the first one, which is the one I've been using. And it says Google hasn't verified this app. And this video is for Google anyways. So I want to proceed. So I'll click on advanced and I'll say go to Loubby application. Of course, this is because this is a verification video for Google. I'm going to click go to Loubby application. Now Google is going to say Loubby application wants additional access to your Google account. When you allow this access, Loubby application will be able to view and edit all events on your calendar. Loubby application already has some access. See the 3 services that Loubby application has access to. So I'm going to click this. Number 1, associate with your personal info on Google. Can still break that, open that further. All right. Then the second permission that we already have is see your personal info, including any personal info you made publicly available. And that's your name, profile picture, gender, preferred languages, and any other information made publicly available. Third one is see your primary Google account email address. This permission wants to see the primary email address associated with your Google account. Those are the 3 already existing permissions. So I'll click on done. Next thing I want to do is to click on continue. And once I give access to that, then let's see, the event should also already be created on my Google Calendar. So let's see, 11:30 Google Authentication event created. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope now you can see the extent of Google Authentication scope that is required for now on the Loubby AI application. Thanks. See you next time.